Hi there, I'm Beau Miller. I'm from Boutique Realty, and today I'm going to show you through 19 Pleasant Street in South Ripley. Okay, I'm going to sneak up the driveway here. You can see it's got established gardens around the property, beautiful birds, and a double garage, large entry doorway, tiled floor with square set ceiling all the way through. The master bedroom here is air conditioned, beautiful pendant lights and walk-in robe. Okay, in here, bathroom, so ensuite shower, vanity and toilet. Okay, whiz through. Now I love the living space in this house. We've got air-conditioned dining. You can see those 3 pendant lights there. Big doors all the way out to the outdoor area, overlooked by the kitchen. Huge pantry. Got gas cooking. Big space for your fridge. And dishwasher. These are all marble bench tops as well. Screen doors out to your alfresco here, all undercover. Okay, I'm going to show you the other bedrooms before I go into that lounge and take you out to the back door. This is a study area or kids TV room. It's bedroom number 2. There is a TV point behind where the desk is too, so perfect. Had a couch and a computer in there before. Okay, here's another bedroom. It's obviously storage at the moment. Toilet and bathroom. Gorgeous insets into the bathrooms. Big bath. Okay, let's race out the back for you. So this is your formal lounge. Again, that does have a sliding door out to the outdoor area. Ceiling fans and carpeting in here. Okay, as I come outside, bamboo all the way up the back. Oh, you can't really see with the sun there. I'll walk over there in a minute. Down the side you've got pavers. I'll get you out of the puppy dogs are having some bones. Enjoying a little snack. I'm going to walk over to the back corner for you. So you can see the backyard. It's quite a good size. So hopefully you like what you see. If you would be interested in this property, don't hesitate to give me a call, 0411 439 437. I'll talk to you soon.